all, let's talk about ASTM and ISO standards for ozone resistance testing. In industries like automotive, aerospace, and manufacturing, rubber and polymer materials must withstand harsh environmental conditions. One major threat, ozone exposure. To ensure durability, global standards like ASTM and ISO set strict guidelines for ozone resistance testing. Why ozone resistance testing is essential? Ozone in the atmosphere reacts with rubber, causing surface cracking, brittleness, and failure over time. To ensure long-lasting materials, industries follow internationally recognized ISO and ASTM standards. Key ISO standards for ozone resistance testing. ISO standards define precise testing conditions for ozone exposure. Some key standards include ISO 14311, ozone cracking resistance under dynamic strain. ISO 20444 evaluates the impact of ozone on rubber seals and components. ISO 7326 measures ozone resistance in rubber hoses used in automotive and industrial applications. Key ASTM standards for ozone resistance testing. Similarly, ASTM standards provide strict guidelines for ozone resistance testing. Important standards include ASTM D1149, test rubber deterioration due to ozone exposure. ASTM D4575 determines the impact of ozone elastomeric materials. ASTM D3395 evaluates ozone resistance under static and dynamic conditions. How the ozone test chamber ensures compliance. The ozone test chamber is the perfect tool to ensure compliance with ISO and ASTM standards. It provides control ozone exposure, real-time monitoring, and accurate analysis, helping manufacturers certify their products before market release. Meeting ISO and ASTM standards for ozone resistance is crucial for ensuring durable, high-performance rubber materials. With the right ozone test chamber, manufacturers can guarantee compliance and product longevity. For more information, contact Pacorr.com.